I booked my pool renovation with affordable pool repair for fall 2025 because I knew if I booked before December 1, I'd save 5%. And they handle everything from commercial pool renovations to indoor plastering and gunite restoration with their own crews who really stand behind their work. So locking in early not only saves me money, but guarantees my spot since availability is limited. And it feels great knowing my pool will be ready just in time for spring 2026.